I have found what you can only call a cornucopia of blasts from the past. First of all, in here, you've got an old Colchester Mascot, obviously lathe. In there, you've got Ken, who's working on his Colchester Student. And it's very apt because Ken was a student, started working on these machines about 61 years ago, and he's still going strong. And as one of the guys said, he gave him that job that he's working on right now. Before lunch, he's almost finished it, and the chap said he couldn't have programmed it so quick. So absolutely fantastic. There you go. Now, moving on. As I said, a cornucopia of blasts from the past. Here is an old grinding machine. Won't go too much depth on that, but around the 80s, I'm reliably informed. Still holding, not massively accurate, but still holding tolerances. Now, this old beauty here, drilling, tapping. So, a few of the controls, obviously slow and fast. I can't move it, I don't want to break it. Oh, no. But then you can switch between the 470 and 84 as examples. Then, let's move my notes out of the way. Obviously, just pushing it on. There you go, a bit of action there for you. And the other way, that's it. How's that for my engineering skills? And then here, you've got a tapping, well, auto tapping head. So basically, you're drilling that down, then this system here, you'll start clicking when it hits a certain torque, and then you traverse it out, and out it comes, making that tapping nice and easy. So that's from about 1950s. Now, I've got one just to trump that even more. So that is still in use, that system there. Now we've got here the old Herbert drills here. Those have been decommissioned and such, but look at this. Still, it has been decommissioned, but this is a BSA No1 Tapping machine. So essentially what you're doing, pop in this lever here, that'll drop it in, do your tapping. It actually can be controlled by this piece of wire here, but that'll be on a piece of wire, so down here to your foot control, so you can pop those in and out all day long. You can change your cams. That's it. So that's from, have a big guess, around the 1940s, and they're looking to pop that into the museum. So as I said from the beginning, a cornucopia for the blast from the past.